3 game-changing tips that completely transformed my life. Life is a game, and those who know how to play it win. For those who don't, it will be difficult for them to succeed. That's for sure. As someone who's, let's say, quite familiar with the game of life, I'm excited to share with you the 3 game-changing tips that completely transformed my life. These tips have helped me become a better version of myself and shaped who I am today. So be sure to watch until the end to learn these invaluable lessons in this game called life. But before everything else, don't forget to show some love to Luxo-Life. Now let's begin. Tip number 1. Embrace self-sufficiency. In this game called life, realizing that at the end of the day, you only have yourself can be a tough pill to swallow. But embracing self-sufficiency is a crucial step toward personal growth and fulfillment. It's about understanding that you are responsible for your own success and happiness. When you learn to rely on yourself, you become more confident in your abilities and you develop a sense of empowerment that can carry you through the ups and downs of life. Self-sufficiency means taking the initiative to learn, grow, and overcome challenges without always depending on others. This doesn't mean you can't ask for help when needed, but it encourages you to explore your strengths and capabilities. By allowing yourself to earn your way, whether through work, education, or personal projects, you start to appreciate the value of hard work. Each small victory reinforces your belief in your abilities, showing you that you can achieve your goals through dedication and effort. As you cultivate this independence, you also learn about responsibility. This is an essential life lesson that can be passed on to the next generation. For example, if you're a parent, teaching your children about self-sufficiency prepares them for the future. When they understand the importance of working hard and being responsible, they are more likely to succeed in their own endeavors. The lessons you learn today can inspire and guide those who come after you. Tip number 2. Value experiences and intuition. We often hear the saying, "Experience is the best teacher." And for good reason. Our real-world experiences shape how we see things and guide our decisions, especially in areas like business and investing. When you encounter various situations, whether they lead to success or failure, you gain insights that help you make better choices in the future. This accumulated wisdom becomes your intuition, a kind of inner compass that can point you in the right direction when faced with uncertainty. Embracing the lessons that come from failures and setbacks is crucial. It's easy to feel discouraged when things don't go as planned, but these moments are often where the most valuable learning occurs. Instead of viewing failure as a dead end, try to see it as a stepping stone. Each mistake or obstacle provides an opportunity to reflect and understand what went wrong. By analyzing these experiences, you can develop a sharper intuition that will serve you well in future endeavors. Intuition isn't just a random feeling. It's built on the foundation of your experiences. Over time, as you face different challenges, you begin to recognize patterns and learn what works and what doesn't. This understanding can help you navigate complex decisions with more confidence. Whether you're starting a new business or investing in a project, trusting your intuition, informed by past experiences, can lead to more thoughtful and effective outcomes. Tip number 3. Pursue your passion with practicality. You know, the sad reality of life is that many people feel they must sacrifice their passion to earn a living. They often end up in jobs that don't excite them, all in the name of financial security. However, pursuing your passion doesn't have to be an either-or situation. With the right approach, it is possible to find a balance between following your interests and making practical career choices. This balance is key to living a fulfilling life while also ensuring you can support yourself. When you think about your passion, it's important to consider how it can align with your career goals. Start by exploring ways to incorporate your interests into your work. This could mean looking for job opportunities in your field of passion, starting a side hustle, or even combining your skills in unique ways. For instance, if you love photography, you might consider freelance work while also maintaining a steady job. By finding creative ways to blend your passion with practicality, you can create a more satisfying and sustainable career. At the same time, it's essential to be realistic about your financial needs. This doesn't mean you should give up on your dreams. Rather, it encourages you to plan wisely, set clear goals, and develop a strategy to reach them. This could involve further education, networking, or saving money to support your transition into a more passion-driven career. Remember, it's perfectly fine to take small steps toward your dreams while ensuring you have a stable foundation. And those are the 3 steps that completely transformed my life. However, because you Luxo lovers are important to Luxo-Life, we have some additional topics to discuss that can also help transform your life. First, we'll explore the world of business. Next, we'll talk about navigating career transitions. Additionally, we'll highlight the importance of networking. And finally, we'll discuss the opportunities you can create through hard work. Let's explore each topic one by one. Overcoming overconfidence in business. Confidence is not bad, but anything that's excessive can lead to trouble. In the world of business, overconfidence can be particularly risky. Many entrepreneurs start with a strong belief in their ideas and abilities, which can drive them to take bold actions. However, when that confidence crosses into overconfidence, it can cloud judgment and lead to decisions that are not well thought out. Understanding this balance is essential for anyone looking to succeed in business. One of the key dangers of overconfidence is that it may cause individuals to underestimate risks. When you believe too strongly in your own capabilities, you might ignore warning signs or dismiss valuable feedback from others. This can result in poor decision-making, whether it's investing in a questionable project or failing to adapt to changing market conditions. It's crucial to remember that the business landscape is unpredictable, and even the best ideas can encounter obstacles. A humble approach allows you to stay grounded and responsive to the realities of your environment. Embracing humility in entrepreneurship means being open to learning from your mistakes and acknowledging that you don't have all the answers. It's about recognizing that success often involves collaboration, listening to others, and being willing to adjust your strategies based on feedback. When you approach your business with a mindset of humility, you create space for growth and improvement. This mindset can help you build better relationships with your team, clients, and mentors, all of which are vital for long-term success. The journey of career transition. Know that in life, you can always begin again. Career transitions can feel daunting, but they also present a wonderful opportunity for growth and exploration. Whether you're moving from one passion to another or making a shift for practical reasons, it's important to remember that change can lead to new possibilities. Embracing this idea can help you approach your career journey with a positive mindset, making the process less intimidating and more exciting. When navigating a career shift, it's essential to take a step back and assess what you truly want. Ask yourself questions about your interests, skills, and values. This reflection can guide you in identifying a new path that resonates with who you are. Perhaps you've realized that your current job no longer fulfills you, or maybe you've discovered a new passion you want to explore. Whatever the reason, understanding your motivations will help you make informed choices as you embark on this new journey. Lessons from guest lectures and networking. We have said earlier in this video that experience is the best teacher. But did you know that you don't have to go through everything yourself to learn valuable lessons? Sometimes, other people's experiences can provide powerful insights that guide you on your own journey. Guest lectures and mentorship opportunities allow you to tap into the wisdom of those who have walked the path before you. By listening to their stories, you can gain knowledge that can shape your own decisions and actions. Guest speakers often share their successes and failures, providing a realistic view of what it takes to succeed in a particular field. They offer a wealth of information, from practical skills to industry trends. By paying attention to their experiences, you'll learn what works and what doesn't, allowing you to avoid common pitfalls. These insights are invaluable, especially when you're trying to carve your own path. Engaging with guest speakers can spark inspiration and help you envision your future in a new light. Mentorship is another key aspect of learning from others. A good mentor can provide guidance tailored to your unique situation, helping you navigate challenges and seize opportunities. They can share personal experiences and offer advice on how to tackle specific issues you might face. Establishing a relationship with a mentor can be incredibly beneficial, as they can serve as a sounding board for your ideas and a source of encouragement when you need it most. The connections you build through networking can open doors and create pathways you may not have considered. Incorporating the lessons learned from guest speakers and mentors into real-world situations requires intentionality. After attending a lecture or meeting with a mentor, take the time to reflect on what you've learned. Consider how their insights can be applied to your own life or career. By actively engaging with their experiences and advice, you can transform knowledge into action, creating opportunities through hard work. Many people will say to you to just go with the flow, that when one door closes, another door opens, and to simply walk through the door that's ajar. But today, we want you to not go with the flow. Instead, create your own flow. We will teach you how to create your own doors. Success isn't just about luck or waiting for opportunities to come your way. It's about dedication and hard work. When you put in the effort and stay committed to your goals, you open up new pathways for yourself. Hard work lays the foundation for success, but it also plays a crucial role in identifying opportunities. When you actively pursue your passions and dedicate yourself to your craft, you become more aware of the possibilities around you. This awareness comes from being engaged in your field, whether through networking, education, or practical experience. The more you immerse yourself, the more you'll start to see openings that others might overlook. Those moments can lead to collaborations, projects, or even career advancements that align with your interests. Perseverance is just as important as hard work. There will be challenges along the way, and setbacks are a natural part of any journey. However, how you respond to those challenges can determine your success. Instead of getting discouraged, use obstacles as learning experiences. Adapt your strategies, remain resilient, and keep pushing forward. When you combine dedication with a willingness to adapt, you empower yourself to create opportunities, even in difficult situations. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did and that you learned something valuable. If you did, please let us know in the comment section below what insights you gained. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who want to transform their lives too. If you're new to Luxo-Life, we encourage you to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Catch you in the next video, Luxo lovers!